in new versions of React, which like you can see here, from the 16.8 version and above, there's something new was introduced in React called React hooks. So what is React hook? React hook are functions. They're just simply a function components that have access to states and other features of React. Because of this, the class components are generally no longer needed, and that's what you see in upper versions of 16.8 and above, and most likely now in version 18. These class components are not anymore they're not used anymore, and it's not any longer maintained by React. Okay, so if you jump up in old applications, you might find them, but you'll find that most of the functions there, they will be crossed because they're not supported anymore. So the hook or anything, these functions in React, how you know they're hook? They start with a word called use, like you see in example. Use state, that's a hook in React. That's a built-in hook in React, okay? And these hooks allow us to use React features, such as state, like you say here, and other life cycles that we'll go through them in our course. And there are simple rules that these hooks follow. So there are three simple rules. The hooks can only be called inside the React function components, so no more stateful components, only inside React function components. The hooks only can be called at the top level of a component, okay, so in here the top level, not inside the return function. And hooks cannot be conditional. You can't have conditions or using those hooks, okay. So for here, this one only can be called inside React function or even being called in the top level. Those rules will be broken in case you create your custom hooks, not built in React hooks, but you can actually create your own custom hooks, which later in this course we will do that and see how to create them and how to implement them. In our next video, we'll try to use a state to get some functionality done for us, and we'll see how we can use the first hook, which is use state.